Have you ever wondered how a heavy object can fall slowly just by using a parachute? Parachutes are not just used by skydivers, they're also used in space missions to safely land spacecraft. But here's an interesting question. What makes one parachute better than another? This is where the Parachute Design Challenge begins, a fun experiment where we test different parachute designs to see which one falls the slowest. When an object falls, gravity pulls it downward, but air pushes against it. This pushing force is called air resistance. A parachute with a larger surface area catches more air, and this helps it fall more slowly. In this challenge, we can test parachutes made from different materials like paper, plastic, or cloth. We can also change the shape, circular, square, or even hexagonal parachutes. Each parachute is attached to the same weight and dropped from the same height to make the test fair. Now the parachutes are released, and we carefully observe which one reaches the ground last. Usually, the parachute with the largest surface area and best shape falls the slowest. Let's try this. I will show you how you can make this at home. This same principle helps spacecraft land safely on planets, including missions sent to Mars. By testing and improving designs, scientists create safer parachutes and better space missions. Science is not just about learning, it's about experimenting, testing, and discovering.